Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Now, my family thinks that being sour is only good with flavor and not actually a personality trait. This food group collection of books, this one being the Sour Grape, is just as good, if not even better, than the others. Jory, John, and Pete Oswald have got it going on. This set, this one in particular, is now one of our family's favorites. I absolutely love all of the little details that are explained so wonderfully in this book. You can say because of the illustrations that it may be more for children, but it is geared to everyone in the family. I love the fact that my daughter can look at this and enjoy. I love that I don't mind reading it to her. I think it teaches such a valuable lesson. I know that we all have our bad days, but being sour, there's definitely more benefits to being a nice, sweet grape. I know that you're gonna love the principle behind this book. One of my favorite parts too, just like a tiny little tidbit, is that the grandparents that are trying to teach valuable lessons, they are raisins. They're wrinkly and dried out, but we know that with, history and with experience in life, that they just got sweeter over time. I love this book. I know your family will too, and that's my point of view.